Good morning, students. The most welcome PVC Computer online classes presented by Ramesh sir here. So, computer application for class 6, chapter number 4, mail merge. This is a very interesting chapter, the mail merge. What is the mail merge? So, my dear students, the mail merge is a useful tool that is allow used to protect the multiple, okay, just like a letter, label, envelope, name tag, and so on, each personally addressed to the different recipients. Okay, those person are receiver. Okay, it means the mail merge. It means you give the one mail to the multiple people at the same times. Okay, so this is a very interesting tools in Microsoft Office. So mail merge is a useful tool that is allow you to produce the multiple letters. So this one is a produce the multiple letter, label, anything also you give to the person at the same time to the different peoples. Second definition also here, the mail merge is a word processing procedure which envelope like you to combine a document with the data file whatever. Okay, so you give the full data to the person. For example, here a list of the name like address, so that the copy of the documents are different for each person's it is sent to. It means the one you can give the copy to the different person with the help of mail merge. Just like the social networking sites, you are giving the one message with the help of WhatsApp. So this message you give the multiple persons. So as it is, you have the number of documents. So with the help of mail merge, we can send at the one time to the multiple persons. So what is the advantages of mail merge here? So here students, number one advantage is you can send a common document later to the many peoples. Yeah, because with the help of one point we can save the time. So you send the one letter to the many peoples. Second point, it is easy to make the changing in single documents. So we can do the easy change also. Okay, of a single document. Third point, it common documents can have the save and reuse. It means save also, and reuse means again we can use. Save time, of course, that this last point is a very interesting, the save the time also. Okay, because the mail merge is a very interesting, you see it on one system and give to the multiple person to the documents. Okay, so where these points, click on file, mail merge, start mail merge option. So what you want to send, like in the form of letter, email, message, envelope, label, dictionary, and step by step the mail merge wizard. So which one you want to, then select, then after follow the steps. Components of mail merge. There are the three main components. Here are the three main components of the mail merge. Number one, main documents. Second, data sources. Third, merge documents. So here just like the question also coming here, how many main components of a mail merge? So here are the three main components. Number one, main documents, data sources, and merge the documents. So one by one I explain you. So number one, main documents. The main documents that contain the information that will be remain the same in each of the merged documents. It can be like maybe the letter, maybe envelope, label, and so on. Any type of data we can inside. So this one is a content of the information. Okay, which type of information? Just like we can like letter, envelope. Okay, data source. So data source contain the information such as like name and address of receiver. Okay, so data source also have the name and address of the receiver, and here the label of letter, envelope, like this. So here again I explain bit students, main documents here the letter and envelope, label, like this. But here what you write on the envelope, what you write on letter, So with the help of data source we can write like name, like address of receiver. Okay, so here the label and letter like this, and here the information what you write on letter and envelope, what you write upside. Merge documents. So name also very interesting here, the merge document. Merge means combined. So combined of a main documents or data source, that is called the merge document. It is the main merge. It means the merge, that means the main documents or data source. Step of mail merge. It means you want to send the mail to other people. So how? So here the some 6 rules, 6 step here. So one by one I explain you. Number 1, step of mail merge. So number 1 here, creating the mail documents. After then second point, creating the data source, and after then merge the main documents with the data source. So first of all create the data main documents, after then data source, and after then merge. Here the 3 steps, but one by one I explain you. Number 1 steps, click start mail merge, click step by step mail merge wizard. So here click start mail merge and step by step mail merge wizard. Wizard means automatically step by step computer are given and you follow the step, then you give to information in file. Second step here, yes, select your documents. So which type your documents? Demo we can select like letter. Okay, so here the letter, mail, message, envelope, letter. So which type of document you want to select? So we select. After then step next. Step third, start the document. Here the select the document. After then here the start the document. In the demo form we will the blank documents here. Like here. So start the documents. So here the current documents, start from template, whatever, exit. Okay. So here I select the blank document. Number 1 again. Here step by step wizard. After then second point here, select the documents like later. After then start the documents, third points. Okay. For next point here, select the recipients. It means where you want to send the letter. Okay. So this demo we will create a new list to select. Okay, and type the new list and create a list of adding data in the new, like address, whatever. Okay, so here the type a new list and create create here blank sheet here. So here you fill the like first name, last name, company name, whatever the address, which type you want to the information we can select and complete here. Field like this type, like address, name, first name, last name, title, company name, and address. So all the information I fill here. Okay. After then 6th step is here, print your letter. It means print your letter or add it. Okay, individually. So after then the print the letter. In that case you want to print, click print, and whatever the send also to other person. And this one is a 6th step over of mail merge. Thank you. Have a nice day.